Today, I came to visit an old farmer living in a quiet rural area. He has been using this rice milling machine for many years. It's a simple machine, but it works almost every day, helping him process rice for his family. The machine still runs, but the farmer told me it has become louder recently. The rice is not as white as before, and after running for a while, the machine gets very hot. These are clear signs that the machine needs maintenance. Before touching anything, the first thing I do is unplug the power completely. Working with machines without cutting off electricity is very dangerous. Especially with old equipment. I slowly look over the machine from the outside. The metal cover is dusty, covered with rice bran and dirt. Some screws are starting to rust, but nothing is broken yet. The power cable is old, but luckily, it hasn't been damaged by rats. I begin by removing the protective covers using simple hand tools. As soon as the cover comes off, I can see a thick layer of rice bran stuck inside. Some areas are so clogged that the airflow is almost blocked. This buildup is one of the main reasons why the machine overheats and makes loud noise. Many farmers don't notice this because the machine still works, but inside, it is slowly wearing itself out. I take a brush and carefully clean the inside, moving slowly from top to bottom. For the harder, stuck areas, I use a wire brush gently. There is no need to rush. Good maintenance is about patience. While cleaning, I talk with the farmer and explain that even a few minutes of cleaning after each use can greatly extend the life of the machine. He nods and smiles, saying he never thought something so simple could make such a difference. After finishing the basic cleaning, the inside already looks much better. The machine can finally breathe again. With the inside cleaned, I move on to checking the rice milling shaft. This part is very important because it directly affects the quality of the rice. If the shaft is worn out or dirty, the rice can break easily and won't come out evenly. Luckily, the shaft is still in good condition. It's just covered with old rice dust. I clean it carefully and check if anything is stuck inside. Even small stones or hard debris can damage the shaft over time. Everything looks fine, so I reinstall it properly. Next, I check the drive belt. When I press it with my finger, I can feel that it's a bit loose. A loose belt causes slipping, weak performance, and higher electricity consumption. I loosen the motor bolts slightly and adjust the motor position to tighten the belt just enough. The belt should not be too tight, because that would damage both the belt and the motor bearings. After tightening the bolts, I move on to the motor itself. I rotate the motor shaft by hand. It still turns smoothly, but it feels a little dry. I add a few drops of oil to the bearings. Only a small amount is needed. Too much oil will attract dust and create more problems later. As I work, The farmer watches closely. He tells me this machine has been with him for many years, helping him survive through difficult times. That's why maintaining it properly matters so much. With all the key parts checked and cleaned, the machine is now ready to be reassembled. I carefully put all the covers back in place and tighten every screw. Before turning the power back on, I double-check everything. No tools left inside, all parts secured. I plug the machine in and start it without any load. The machine runs for about 1 minute. The sound is noticeably quieter, and the vibration is much lower than before. After that, the farmer pours in a small batch of rice to test it. The machine runs smoothly. The rice comes out cleaner and whiter, with fewer broken grains. The farmer smiles immediately. He says the machine feels completely different now. Even though we didn't replace any major parts, many people think machines only need repair when they are broken. But in reality, simple maintenance can prevent most serious damage. Machines are like people. If you take care of them regularly, they will serve you well for a long time. Helping the farmer today makes me feel good. It's not just about fixing a machine, but about preserving something important in rural life. If you are using agricultural machines at home, remember to clean and maintain them regularly. A little effort today can save a lot of money in the future. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next rural restoration vlog.